Konnichiwa, this is Joe of Oishii Japan channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today guys, another recipe I'm going to share with you, and it is the fried rice or Chahan. Without further ado, let's get started. We need 1 clove of garlic, finely chop it. 1/2 small onion, finely chop it also. 1/2 medium carrot, cut into small cubes. 2 pieces ham, cut it lengthwise and then cut it into small cubes. Boiled 1/4 cup of green peas and then set aside to let it cool down. I use the frozen green peas, but you can use a pressed one if you want. 3 pieces eggs. Separate the egg yolk and the egg white. And why I'm doing this, separating the egg yolk and the egg white? Because I want to make a chahan that is parapara. And what is parapara? Parapara is a Japanese word, means crumbly texture. It describes the rice that isn't soggy or it is not oily. Mix very well the eggs to the rice. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Saute the garlic and then add the onion. Continue to saute and then add the carrots. Just mix well and let it cook. Then add the ham. Mix all together, and lastly, let's add our green peas. And then salt and pepper to taste. And it is done. Set aside. On the same frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and then add the rice. You just need an effort to mix and mix again. Continue to mix the rice and cook it this way for about 2 minutes. And then start to scatter the rice. We need to use our arms, guys. It is the one point to make our chahan parapara. And then add the egg white and continue mixing the rice. Yes, this is it. That's it. Chahan ni narimashita yo. Let's add now the vegetables and continue to mix it. この感じ、まだですね。これはいい感じです。You see this, guys? Our chahan is parapara now. Looks great. Lastly, let's add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and chicken broth powder. いい感じにできましたよ。美味しそう。Let's taste. Good. Okay, let's flip it over. Ta-da! Wow! itadakimasu. Mmm. Mmm. Para-para siya guys, oh. See? Para-para. Yung rice niya is para-para. Mm. Mm. Yummy siya guys. Oishii. Try this guys. Really, this is good. Try nyo. You see it guys? It is easy to make. It is a quick recipe. I hope you give it a try. And thank you for watching. See you on my next videos. Thank you always for the support guys. Mata ne. Bye bye.